Don't skip this video because in this video I will explain the Excel shortcuts which will make you efficient at the workplace and which will save a lot of your time. So let us start the video. The first Excel shortcut I will talk about is the shortcut to open the Format Cells dialog box. It is Ctrl+1. It opens the Format Cells dialog box and here you have number formatting, alignment, font, border, fill, protection, etc. To directly open the Format Fonts dialog box, press Ctrl, Shift and F on the keyboard and here you can format the font. You can also press Ctrl, Shift and P. It will also open the Format Fonts dialog box. Now to open the Insert dialog box, click on Ctrl, Shift and plus on the keyboard. It will open the Insert dialog box. You can insert cells or you can insert an entire row or an entire column. To open the Delete dialog box, press Ctrl- on the keyboard. Here you can delete the cells or you can delete an entire row or you can delete an entire column. To insert current date in the active work cell, press Ctrl and semicolon on the keyboard. Similarly, to insert current time in the active work cell, press Ctrl, Shift and colon on the keyboard. Sometimes you copy some data and you want to paste only values or only formatting or formulas only using Paste Spatial. To open the Paste Spatial dialog box using shortcut key, press Ctrl, Alt and V on the keyboard. It will open the Paste Spatial. Here you can paste formulas, values, formats, comments, validation, etc. You can even transpose the data. Transposing means you can convert rows into columns and columns into rows. That means if you have a data set that is in a column and you will paste it using transpose, it will be pasted in a row. So this is what transpose means. Sometimes while entering data in Microsoft Excel, you want to enter the same value as the value in cell above. To do this, press Ctrl D on the keyboard, Ctrl D, or select all the cells in which you want to copy the data, press Ctrl D on the keyboard. It will copy the value across your selection. To zoom in your worksheet, press Ctrl Alt equal on the worksheet. It will zoom in the screen. Ctrl Alt equal. To zoom out the screen, press Ctrl Alt minus. It will zoom out the screen. Ctrl Alt minus. To select an entire row, press Shift and spacebar on the keyboard. It will select the entire row. Again, to select the entire column, press Ctrl and spacebar on the keyboard. It will select the entire column. To enter a new line in the same cell, press Alt and Enter on the keyboard, then type your text. It will be entered in a new line, but in the same cell. To fill a range of cells with the current entry, select the range of cells, then write down your text, then press Ctrl Enter on the keyboard. All of the cells in the selected range will be filled with the current text. Now coming to Autosum, if you want to sum a range of numbers, select a cell at the end of the range, then press Alt equal on the keyboard. Excel here makes a guess and highlights the range of cells. If the guess is correct, press Enter on the keyboard and you will get the sum of numbers. Now finally coming to Flash Fill. Flash Fill lets you fill data in the cells by recognizing pattern in the data. To Flash Fill, press Ctrl E on the keyboard. Similarly, select this one cell here and press Ctrl E on the keyboard. I hope this video was helpful. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Keep supporting, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.